Hello, my name is Carla Montano. My front-end graduate with honors project is a React app that helps teachers and school staff to control and monitor students' flow in common building areas to comply with COVID-19 regulations. While we were getting ready to greet students in our school building, we had to find ways to limit the number of students in common rooms without communicating or disturbing while trying to know who was sent to the rooms or if we could send a student to the restroom, to the main office, to the nurse, without having more than 2 students in those places. So I came up with the idea and design and developed my app using React, React Router DOM, React hooks, React timer hooks, React animation components, and Figma for the initial design, among others. This repository is published on GitHub and the project is live deployed in Netlify. As you can see, this is a one-page application and it displays all the rooms that we actually want to monitor in our school building. If you can see that we can add a student and with a timer, so we know how long time has been that student in that particular place. As I mentioned before, we should have only 2 students in the restroom at the same time. So if I want to add another student, I will get an alert that will let me know that this room is full and I need to wait a few minutes to send this person. So each student can be removed and we can add to the different rooms since this app holds, or each room holds a separate state, separate input form. The biggest challenge in this project was to make each room to have independent state and input fields. After much experimentation and reading documentation, I was able to implement it by manually creating the room's components and refactoring files distribution in order to make it work until the project is linked to the back end and get information and send information to the back end. What I like the most about my code is that it looks cleaner to me, since this is the first time I used and I implemented React hooks. So it made my code look cleaner with smaller components and more comprehensible components. As you can see, I have the different rooms, each room with independent forms in state. Okay. Also, I use effect to save the information to local storage for now before while I link to the back end of this project. Thank you for reviewing my project and for the consideration for honors graduation. The next phase for this project is adding the back end in user authentication to make it functional and running for all staff and members. Also, a big goal for this project is to make it scalable and available to other schools' use. Thank you so much.